I meet more and more women on a weekly basis that are carrying around this invisible but almost tangible sense of shame because they're divorced. Whether you are divorced once, twice, or thrice, or even more times than that, I'm going to hazard a guess. I'm going to guess that you fought like a Viking for your marriage, right? I'm going to guess that you gave it your best shot. You gave your all, your body, your heart, your soul, your mind, your love, your commitment, your loyalty. I'm going to hazard a guess that you took care of as best you could your marriage, the kids, the home, your business, your community, your church. I'm going to guess that you went all in on this marriage. And there came a time when you realized, I'm done. For a woman to get to that point, it takes a lot. It takes a lot. So here I am, just turned 53, twice divorced, starting over from scratch, from blank. Nobody expects that. Nobody anticipates that. Nobody wants that, right? And the first divorce was difficult enough. We were together for 6 years, got married, and as soon as he put a ring on it, then suddenly domestic violence appeared out of nowhere in our marriage. And my second marriage, we were together for 23 years, and on the 7th of December 2024, I decided, that's it. Nothing, this is not going to work. This is not going to change. I'm not going to go into the detail, but should have done it long ago. I should have done it long ago. But as women, we are all in. We want to make it work. We fight like Vikings for our marriage. And so here I sit, 53, twice divorced. And what was one of the first things that I felt, apart from all of the other devastation? My life was ripped apart. All kinds of things went down. Apart from dealing with that, one of the biggest issues I had to deal with was I felt shame. I'm like, where is this coming from? I felt ashamed that I was twice divorced, now a single mom of 2 at the age of 53. And I'm like, I do not accept that. There are very, very legitimate reasons why I am twice divorced. You gave it your all, right? There is no shame for you to carry, no blame for you to carry for walking out the front door after saying, that's it. I'm choosing life. I can't do this anymore. Everything has died. My dreams, my heart, I'm lonely, I'm angry, I don't feel seen, I don't feel heard, I never mind loved. But at the end of the day, you and I made a decision that we believe was right for us. And shame has no place there. In fact, probably we should be walking out the front door with a freaking trophy that someone's saying, I saw what you did, here you go. Here's a little medal for you to walk away with. That's actually what should be happening. And I'm not saying that the guy on the other side, I'm not saying that our ex-husbands don't have their story. I'm not saying it's not about them. It's about us walking away at a point where we decided, that's it, I'm done. This is not what I want. This is not in line with my values. There is no shame in that, friend. So if you're sitting divorced with your past still hounding you and haunting you, if you're still carrying things from the past, I'm here to tell you, you've got some work to do to overcome that and ditch that. That shame does not belong on your shoulders. But there are tools and there are things that you can do to take that burden, ditch it, hand it over, and to break yourself free from all of the chains and the pains of the past, and to reinvent yourself and to establish a fresh new vision, because you have a lot of love to give. Look at what you tried giving, and you have a lot of life to live. And I believe in you, and I'm in your corner. And I am not this bra-burning feminist woman, but I am about women empowerment. I love women. I think that we are freaking phenomenal, and we give until we nearly die. And some women do. Mine nearly killed me. So I've got 2 marriages. Both of them I walked out on for legitimate reasons, the right reasons, and I will not carry shame about that. In fact, I will turn it all around. That pain will have purpose, and I will go on to live a beautiful life, that I'm excited about my future. We are not to carry shame for doing the right thing for the right reasons. Friend, if you are done with that shame and you want to start fresh, then clicking the link below is your next obvious move. I have got power tools that have helped me to get up, dress up, and stand up again on my own 2 feet, but months after my second divorce, making sure that I don't carry the past into my present, that I don't let the past dictate my future. If you are ready to lock arms and do life with me and other like-minded women in this beautiful community of Linda Page, women who are for marriage, women who are for family, women who are for getting up, dressing up, and rising up out there in the marketplace, click the link below, get into Dress to Connect, and let's you and I do some life together. You are not to sit on the bench and be a spectator in the sport that is your life. You get one shot. There is no rehearsal. Click the link below. How would it feel to no longer be hiding, to dressing down and blending into the background? How will it feel to step into the light once again? That's what we do here in Dress to Connect. The time for being ashamed, for being divorced is over. Those days are behind you. It's time for new. It's time for the real you to rise up. Click on the link, get registered, and I'll see you on the inside.